Welcome to the Bondi Scrapper channel. Today is, well, we're in lockdown still. It's the middle of July. Our fearless Premier has just announced that we're going through to the 30th of July because Delta strain of COVID. So I'm sure there are a lot of people that aren't very happy about that, including myself. I'm supposed to be going on holidays in August in another state, and looks like that's going to be cancelled. At a great cost of many thousands of dollars by the looks of it. Anyway, I've got this bucket of, let's call it scrap without an S, and we're just going to go through it and get rid of things, get them into their right little boxes ready to eventually go to the scrap metal man one day. So found an old school LED light in the bins here at where I live, and scrapped that out. Got that lovely chunk of extruded aluminium. So over here we have our aluminium box, extruded on that side and cast and general aluminium on that side. For a moment there I didn't know what it was. It's the lid off the letterbox. What else have we got? We've got this and this, which is part of also that LED, so they can just go into the general aluminium box. We've got this old USB cable, and they're the switches, the igniter switches off the gas oven, gas cooktop that I pulled apart, so they can go into attachment wire. Bit of a box of attachment wire there, not too much. I mean, who wants to collect that stuff? Bit of an old circuit board there, that can go in the circuit board box. Who's getting dizzy? Bit of low-grade insulated copper wire. More low-grade insulated copper wire. Here we have the burner off the cooktop that I scrapped out. It's got a steel screw stuck in there, and the best way I can think of to get rid of it is to put it onto a good firm surface and give it a belt. So like that. That becomes irony aluminium, and that one becomes clean aluminium. These are the adjustment valves off the gas cooktop, and I think I pointed out in the video they've got this little ball bearing there. What we need to do is slice in just basically through there, lever it off. Get a screwdriver, wedge it in there somehow. Maybe a better screwdriver than this one. There we go. There we go. So that goes in as contaminated brass, I guess you'd call it. And that's then a big chunk of clean brass. Premium brass, in fact. So all of those in the brass bin.
Greetings, scrappers. At this point, this video was going to be ridiculously long, as in somewhere near the 2-hour mark, so I've decided to cut it way down into bite-sized chunks. So we'll leave it at that one at the moment. Thanks for watching. hit the like button if you feel like it, and see you in the next video. Bye.